Welcome WPP stars back at Restaurant Nebo. My name is Dimitri, I'm the chef of Restaurant Nebo. This is my sous chef Michelin-star. And together today we're gonna make the pigeon from Poitou, the region in France. This is the pigeon we're gonna make today. We're gonna bake it on the carcass. Nitesh is gonna do all the garnishes, which is the pomme fondant, some morels, kale cream, some fried kale, and then we're gonna finish it later. Okay, so this is the pigeon. It always comes on the whole. For certain preparations we're gonna use the legs and the wings. Usually the wings we're gonna use for the sauce, the legs on a side preparation, but for this preparation we're not gonna use the legs nor the wings nor the necks. So all those trimmings we're gonna use for our sauce later. So we're gonna start with deboning everything we should. So the head we're gonna cut off, the neck we're gonna set aside for the sauce, then the wings, slowly with your knife take them off. There's a joint where you can go and then it goes off easily. Same with the legs, just cut through the skin. And then here you can feel the bone. We're just gonna make a small incision inside and then we can actually cut it open, and then we can with a knife just cut this off. Inside we still have the intestines and the heart. We're gonna clean this up. I'm gonna use a little bit water for this, and then we're gonna pat them dry and we're gonna bake them. So we actually take out with our fingers everything what we're not gonna use. Normally the hearts we make a cream out of it, but for this preparation we decided not to. So we take everything out. There's a lot of blood inside. We're gonna rinse it with some clean water. And then we're gonna pat it dry, inside, outside. So make sure it's nice and dry, and then we have a clean inside. This is a perfect carcass to bake it on the carcass. We take our pan, put it on the stove. I'm gonna bake the pigeon in corn oil, not olive oil. Gonna season the pigeon inside, outside with some salt, some white pepper, and then we're gonna put the pigeon inside the pan. We're gonna color it on 3 sides. So first we're gonna do the left and right side, and then we're gonna do the top side. Can be on a high fire, should not be too low, because we need the coloring, we need the caramelization of the skin for later. So we're gonna do this in the pan. Afterwards I'm gonna add a bunch of herbs, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salted butter, and then we're gonna just drizzle it in the butter, and then we're gonna bake it in the oven for about 5.5 minutes, depending on the size of the pigeon. Our pigeons are selected on weight, so every week we get around 40 pigeons for the menu. So we get half pigeon per person. The pigeons are normally in between 550 grams to 650 grams, somewhere in between. Of course, it's a product from nature. We cannot decide everything what we want on every weight that we want. Same with turbot, same with sea bass. We can ask, but sometimes it's not there. So first side is the nice caramelization and coloring of the skin, and then we're gonna put it on the top side. Put the fire off. Then we're gonna add a nice piece of salted butter. We're gonna add a little bit of herbs. Then we're gonna turn the pigeon around. And then we're gonna put all the butter on top of the pigeon. And we put the herbs on top. And like this, we're gonna put it in the oven. So 170 degrees, 5 minutes, 15 to 20 seconds, and then we're gonna be okay. Then it needs to rest for about 35 minutes, and then we're gonna cut the pigeon. So after baking our pigeon for about 5 5 minutes 20 seconds. It needed the rest, so this has been resting for 30 minutes. So now we're going to cut up the fillet. So you have actually the backbone here, which we're going to cut aside on both sides. And then we're going to take off the fillet. Make sure we have all the meat. So this is one fillet. So this carcass we're going to throw away. Now we're going to trim the fillet. So we have the small fillet, which we're also going to use. And take off this wide nerve. And then trim the sides that are a little bit harder, a little bit drier, fat, excessive fat we're also going to remove. So this is our fillet. Later we're going to put this on the barbecue and glaze it. Okay, so actually we're baking our pomme fondant in foamy butter, a little bit burnt sweat, so it gives some flavor. We're going to combine this garnish with fried kale. We also have a cream made of kale. We have celeriac cream and also a smoked beetroot cream. So 3 creams we're going to combine with this pigeon just for the earthy flavors. So the kale has an earthy flavor, the celeriac also, and then the smoked beetroot cream also. So Nitesh is going to start plating. While he's plating the plate, I am going to finish the pigeon. So we have the 2 fillets. I'm just going to rub them in with a little bit of clarified butter. And we're just going to put them on a low heat barbecue. To give a little bit of that smokiness, a little bit of the barbecue flavor, which I like on pigeon. Just for a few seconds. It can color because we're going to take off the skin anyway. So 2 sides. So just a quick touch on the barbecue. Now I'm going to take off the skin side because it's actually not so nice to eat. It has the smoky flavor. And now we're going to glaze the pigeon with the glaze we made, also with the juice made from the necks, the wings and the legs. We reduce it to about 20%. We add some sake and mirin also, which is also based in our sauce, and then we add some sancho pepper just to give it a nice touch. Little moment under the salamander just to get some temperature in it, and then afterwards we're gonna finish the pigeon with some flowers. In this season it's hard to get some flowers, so we have white alyssa, we have purple alyssa, which we're going to finish the dish with. So we have the plucked ones for the fillet, and this is going to be inside the garnish together with the truffle also. So we start with the pomme fondant, then smoked beetroot cream. This is a kale cream, which we made. And then in the meantime, we're going to finish the dish with the flowers also. In the meantime, we're also heating up the sauce. So we're finishing with morels. It's full season, some crispy fried kale, and then we're also gonna add the pigeon fillet to the plate. The small fillets we're also gonna add. Gonna finish with a homemade SANCHO oil. We make different variations. We have transparent SANCHO oil, we have green SANCHO oil. And then, as mentioned before, we're gonna finish the dish normally table side with a jus made of the bones, the necks and the wings. And this is our spring a la carte portion, not menu, a la carte portion. Pigeon from Poitou with fried kale, some morels, some pomme fondant, nice juicy sauce. Please enjoy.